Hello. Today we will be installing RAM into a 2009 white MacBook Pro. All you will need is the RAM module for your MacBook and a Phillips screwdriver to perform this installation. Step 1. Power off the MacBook. Step 2. Close the MacBook. Step 3. Place the MacBook on its top cover, with the bottom of the MacBook showing. Step 4. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 8 screws that surround the bottom panel of the MacBook. Step 5. Once the 8 screws are removed from the bottom panel of the MacBook, gently remove the bottom panel of the MacBook by moving your hand along the edge of the bottom panel. Step 6. Now that the bottom panel has been removed, locate the RAM module slot, which should be located directly above the location of the hard drive. Step 7. Push the 2 tabs on each side of the RAM module in the RAM module slot. The RAM should then eject upward. Step 8. Gently pull the RAM module straight out. Make sure you are grounded to prevent static electricity. Step 9. Insert the new RAM module on an angle and push down until you hear a clicking sound. That will ensure that the RAM module has been installed properly. Step 10. Gently place the bottom panel back onto the MacBook. Step 11. Once the bottom panel is set back on the MacBook, reinstall the 8 screws back onto the panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Step 12. Open the MacBook and hit the power button. You should then hear a startup chime. Step 13. Once the Mac OS X operating system is fully loaded, go to the Apple menu in the menu bar and click About this Mac. Click the More Info button, then click the Memory category. The RAM should then show up in each slot as being installed.
Gosh darn it!